Hey guys, Kevin here, and this is Purereviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you find this particular video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe say thanks in the comment section. It really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and there is a link in the description that will take you to the product page. You can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to cover is over-the-door hooks. This is the box they come in, and it's by a company called Uross. And once you open it up, you're basically going to get the hooks themselves. And it's a nice, solid metal here. They have these little pieces slide up. So as you can see, it kind of packs nice and small. You slide it up like so, and then it will sit on a door. This is a standard door size width right here. It's about 1 3/4 inch. So that's the size that it would fit of a door. They do include a nice little kind of felt, if you will, along the whole back. So that's going to keep you from scratching up the door. And then you have the 6 different little hooks here. Like I said, it's all nice and strong metal. And obviously this one is black, and I think it comes in other colors also. Now, to give you an idea of the size, this is about 15 inches wide and about 7 inches tall to here. And then your hooks are 2 3/8 apart. And you can utilize this to, what we use it to is we hang it up on the closet door, and then we hang basically our line dry clothes, so that way the clothes can dry. And that's what we utilize this for. But you could also utilize it to hang your belts. You can hang your purses from it. Scarves, jackets, etc. It is sturdy enough to hold all that. So yeah, you can utilize it to hang a lot of stuff if you want to have this in the hallway or something like that. Super easy to use. Doesn't require you basically screwing into your door or damaging anything or damaging the wall. It's easy to set up and then quickly take down if you're not utilizing it, which is one of the reasons we like it, because we only use it for our laundry, and so it's easy to take down when we are not utilizing it. But yeah, that's basically the ins and outs of this nice little hook. If you are in the market for some hooks, this one I think is totally worth checking out. If there's something that you're curious about that I didn't cover, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond, and that is it until the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.